Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chan of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Nike Daybreak. I recently picked up a pair of these Undercover Nike Daybreak. I really love this collaboration that they did. And I gotta say, I was surprised that they were still available to buy on Nike.com. To me, this is a really underrated collab sneaker. There was a lot of hype around these sneakers when they were about to come out, and now they're coming out with more and more colors, and this is the first color I'm picking up. We got the blue, the black, and the white. You also got this gray details on the back here. I think the craziest part of the shoes is this back design here. Kind of looks like this sharp object, but you can kind of hurt somebody with this. But I really like what they did with this. It's definitely a little bit out there with this back edition. Back tab, you have this Undercover logo in leather on the back. You have this speckle and splatter paint all over the midsole and also on the back part over here. It's a really comfortable pair of sneakers. This is definitely one that I can wear all day. One that I would definitely bring on my travels. And I actually got this because we're going to Alaska, and that's why I picked the color blue. I also tried on the black. I really like the black one as well, just to wear every day. Overall, at its base on a retro style sneaker. So I love that it has that retro old school vibe of sneaker that's very easy to wear. And they added these new features to make the shoes more modern, and definitely a really cool pair of sneaker to style. So like I said, I think these are really underrated and you should definitely get a pair. For a pair of sneakers that has some of the hype and also some street cred, I gotta say I'm really surprised that they're still on the website, and they're making a lot of colorways, so it's definitely a great pair of sneaker to pick up. I've seen these around New York City at a lot of events, and especially around the Soho, which is a big fashion area. I feel like the fashion crowd, the in crowd, has been loving a lot because this is a casual retro style sneaker. These are very easy to wear. I can wear these with ripped jeans and definitely even with dress pants because they're low cut, and I think they will look really nice. This is definitely like a step up from like the sneakers you normally see with J. Crew, like the J. Crew Nike collabs. So definitely a lot of fun. Really love the colors and the materials they use in this one. Go check it out.